Hiya, I'm Martin from Cycle Tech, and I've just received my Brizebox, and I'm going to show you how to install it.
No, that's all right.
So here's the 4 holes, and they just got the rubber bungs in there. Okay, so we're going to mark the 4 holes through the back of the box. In here we have the 3 keys. Open. And then we're going to take the door off just to make it a bit easier. And down in this corner is 2 nylon washers. We'll just put them in there. The door will stand back down. You need a torch. A second person to hold the box flush against the wall, because we're on loose ground here. So if you can hold that back there, this opens because the 4 holes are at the top of the box, and I will get inside. I've just come in a millimetre from the tip. Otherwise we don't want to go through to next door. Do I need a hammer for these, Brian?
Shouldn't do.
Okay. And I just need you just to push the top. Right, just one's coming to my left, Brian. That's it, lovely. Voila! Only one today. And letters.
Put it in.
Ah!
And that's gone through.
Voila, I see. Yeah. Yeah. Just in case anyone wanted to know.
Audio Hub.